Welcome to my channel. So we'll be making this simple top with this beautiful crepe fabric, and to make this, what I used, my fabric was like 1 yard and some inches. That's, I had 39 inches, but 1 yard of fabric will do this type perfectly well for you. Okay, so I went ahead to fold my fabric into two, then I folded again into two. That is to say, we are having 4 folds. That means we are cutting the back and the front at the same time. The next thing I'll do is to measure out the length of my top. My top length is 23 inches plus 1 inch allowance, 24 inches, and that is what I have here. Now this is a cut together top, that's the sleeve is cut together with the shoulder, and I went ahead to mark 18 inches. Now from that 18 inches point, I'm going to be coming down by 1 inches, and this is going to serve as my shoulder slope. From that point, I'll mark out 8 inches. You can go ahead to mark between 8 to 10, but I'm perfect with 8 inches. Now for my neck width, I measured 4 inches neck width and then 4 inches neck depth. That's 4 by 4 is what I measured. The front and the back neckline will be having the same thing so that our head can easily enter through. So I'm going to connect my shoulder slope to my shoulder, and then the next thing I want to do, I measured my half length measurement. That's my waist measurement, which is 16 inches. You know, this place is actually optional, but I want that place to be to have a little shape anyway. Okay, now I'll go to my chest line. That's on that line where I measured my armhole. My chest measurement is 38 inches divided by 4 is 9.5. I added 2 inches, making it 11.5. For my waist measurement is 34 inches divided by 4, 8.5 plus 2 inches, 10.5 inches. My hips measurement is 40 inches divided by 4 is 10 inches plus 2 inches seam allowance, 12 inches. I'll mark it this way, then I'll go ahead and connect all the lines like this. Okay, now for this armhole, I'll first of all go ahead and make this line straight to join my chest measurement. Then from there I'll make a little curve. I want it to be a little curvy at that point, and then this is what we have. So I'll also go ahead to mark this line from my shoulder slope to join my sleeve, to join the chest line, to join that point you are seeing. So I don't want here to just be pokey kind of, so I went ahead to go by 1 inches, and then I'm going to connect it back to my hemline. Then we go ahead and cut. So after cutting, this is what we have. This is my front piece, and then this is my back piece. Like, anyone can be the front, anyone can be the back, so they are all the same. So this is basically what we have. So we're going to go ahead and join our shoulders together, then sew from the armhole down to the hemline. I also go ahead to use a bias strip to finish my neckline, and then this is what we have. I already sewed them, and then the next thing we'll do, go ahead and finish up our sleeve points and also fold our hemline, and then we are simply done. Like, this is an easy DIY project. Now let me turn it out so that you see what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead to give it a press so that it will relax very well. You can go ahead to notch that armhole area, and then this is our top. Can you see it looking so beautiful? Like, I just love it. It's just an easy, simple, casual wear. Then I introduce belts, okay, for belt lovers. Now let's add the belt and see what it looks like, okay? And voila, this is the outcome. Like, aren't you loving this? Like, I really love this. I so much love it. Like, for more tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.